Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a Booking.com promo code that can save you a ton of money on your next hotel or travel booking, completely free. If you're looking for the best Booking.com discount codes, you're in the right place. Grab your phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android, it works the same. Head to the website I've linked in the pinned comment and description below. Once you're there, type Booking.com into the search bar. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll see the latest Booking.com coupons and deals. Hit the Show Coupon button to reveal your personal code. These codes are limited and exclusive, so make sure you unlock your personal code right away before someone else uses it. That way, you'll secure your discount for your next Booking.com order. If you want to know exactly where to grab your Booking.com promo code, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained everything step by step so you can start saving instantly.